Still using outdated gear? Today, we're revealing the 20 new plumbing tools on Amazon you should buy now. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIYer, these must-have plumbing tools are absolute game changers for 2026. From precision pipe cutters and advanced PEX crimping tools to revolutionary drain cleaning gadgets, these are the best plumbing tools to save you time, money, and frustration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more plumbing tool reviews and home repair hacks. Let's dive into these trending Amazon plumbing finds. Clogged drains are no match for the right tools. The Milwaukee Drain Cleaner tool is essential for plumbers and DIYers who need reliable, efficient solutions. This line includes a backpack-style sewer machine for large jobs, a handheld auger for accessible clogs, and cordless augers for sinks, toilets, and outdoor drains. Lightweight, easy to use, and boasting dependable battery life, these tools tackle diverse blockages with precision. Their compact design, self-contained cables, and user-friendly operation ensure portability, cleaner workflow, and effective drain cleaning across any plumbing scenario. Make pipe cutting faster and more precise with the Knipex TubiX pipe cutter. Designed for efficiency, this tool allows you to push the cutting wheel with just one hand, while the quick lock single-handed adjustment makes positioning and clamping effortless. It cuts copper, brass, and high-grade steel pipes up to 2 mm wall thickness smoothly, with high-quality needle bearings ensuring easy operation of the cutting wheel and guide rollers. A spare wheel is conveniently stored in the handle, and the integrated deburring tool cleans professional edges every time. Prep large plastic pipes faster and safer. The Reed MFG Bevel Boss Pipe Beveler is essential for plumbers and contractors working with PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PVCO. This portable, battery-powered beveler quickly and consistently creates external bevels on 2-inch and larger diameter pipes, even in ditches. Adjustable for bevel lengths up to 1 inch, it ensures accurate cuts that reduce glue waste and protect gaskets. Lightweight and easy to handle, it works with popular die grinders, cutting prep time and operator fatigue while delivering precise, professional results on every joint. Pipe connections have never been easier. The XFITTING Push Fit. Coupling is essential for plumbers and DIYers who want fast, secure, and hassle-free installations. Compatible with PX, CPVC, and copper pipes, it eliminates the need for soldering, clamps, or glue. Corrosion-resistant and durable, this coupling ensures leak-free performance for both residential and commercial applications. Quick to install and reliable in every connection, its robust construction delivers consistent results. Lightweight and simple to use, the XFITTING Push Fit coupling streamlines pipe joining, saving time while ensuring professional quality plumbing outcomes. Ensure your compressed air network runs efficiently with the Prevost high-flow coupler. Designed for quick, reliable connections, it's ideal for modular and scalable PPS aluminum piping systems. Compact, lightweight, and durable, the coupler enables fast installation and immediate pressurization while maintaining a hermetic seal for minimal pressure loss. Its aluminum construction, treated for corrosion resistance, delivers high mechanical and impact strength, compatible with compressor oils. Workstations benefit from optimal airflow, clean, high-quality air, and reliable 16-bar operating pressure, making this coupler essential for efficient, ergonomic, and high-performance compressed air setups. Tackle plumbing tasks with ease using the Ridgid Change Plumbing Wrench. This multifunctional EZ change wrench is essential for under-sink faucet installation and removal. Compatible with common faucets, shutoff valves, supply, lines, and basket strainers. Its 6-sided cubed insert works on 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, 7/8 inch, 15/16 inch, and 1 inch nuts, while the cylindrical insert handles deep weld sockets, strainer baskets, and screwdrivers for extra leverage. The multi-purpose handle fits most basin mounting nuts and clears supply lines. Compact, durable, and lightweight, it delivers precise performance in tight spaces, making plumbing tasks faster and easier. Make precise pipe bends effortlessly with the Vevor Pipe Tube Bender. This 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch OD ratcheting tubing bender is essential for HVAC, air conditioning, refrigeration, plumbing, and hydraulic systems. It bends soft copper and aluminum pipes up to 90 degrees in both forward and reverse directions, even in tight spaces, using a mechanical ratchet for accuracy. The kit includes 7 interchangeable dies, a bearing-type pipe cutter, a deburring tool, and other accessories. Its ergonomic handle, durable aluminum construction, and compact design ensure smooth, efficient, and professional pipe bending every time. Secure, reliable PEX connections are easy with the iCrimp IWS PEX Crimping Toolkit. This 5-piece set, housed in a durable carrying case, is essential for plumbers and DIYers working with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch copper crimp rings. It includes angle head PEX crimpers for tight spaces, a tubing cutter for up to 1 inch PEX, and a removal tool for decrimping copper rings to reuse fittings. A go-no-go gauge ensures precise crimps. Made from high-quality forged steel, this kit covers PEX cutting, positioning, crimping, and gauging, making it indispensable for new installations or remodeling projects. Crimp PEX fittings quickly and efficiently with the superior tool PEX Pocket Crimper. This compact tool fits right in your toolbox, handling 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch black copper rings without any adjustments. It comes complete with a pouch, a go or no-go gauge, and instructions for proper use. Simply position the copper ring over the PEX tubing and fitting, crimp in stages using your 10-inch vice grips, and verify with the gauge. Made from solid, hardened alloy steel, this pocket crimper is a trusted, durable solution for professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Access tight spots with ease. The Knipex Cobra XS water pump pliers are essential for professionals and DIYers who need precise gripping in confined spaces. At just 100mm long with a very slim head, these pliers allow optimum accessibility while gripping pipes up to a diameter of 28mm and nuts up to 24mm. One-handed fine adjustment with 11 positions ensures quick adaptation to any workpiece. Hardened teeth, a box joint, and a self-locking design provide secure, slip-free operation. The pinch guard protects fingers, making gripping, holding, pressing, and bending effortless and safe. Clear drains without the mess. The Ridgid Power Spin Drain Cleaner is essential for homeowners and professionals tackling sink, tub, and shower clogs. Its self-feeding auto-feed technology automatically advances and retracts the 1/4 inch by 25 feet max core cable, keeping hands clean and off the cable. Switch to drill-powered operation for up to 500 RPM to tackle tougher blockages. The bulb auger breaks up hair, soap, scum, and debris, while the ergonomic handle and extended reach make navigating pipes up to 2 inches fast and efficient. Durable design ensures reliable, stress-free drain cleaning every time. Seal pipes quickly and safely. The Oatey plastic plug is essential for plumbers and contractors testing or capping open-ended 4-inch pipes. Made with ABS glass-reinforced plates, it provides strength and durability, while the natural chemical-resistant rubber O-ring ensures a tight, expandable seal. Rated for 17 psi or 40 feet of head pressure, it prevents the plug from falling into the stack and can be used for long-term applications. With a plastic body that resists rust, a zinc-plated handle, and a galvanized carriage bolt, it delivers reliable, corrosion-resistant performance. Cut copper tubing faster and with precision. The Milwaukee copper cutter is essential for plumbers, mechanical contractors, and remodelers who need speed and reliability. This industry-first cordless, battery-powered cutter delivers up to 200 cuts on a single charge, running at 500 RPM. Its patent-pending mechanism automatically adjusts to cut type K, L, and M copper pipes from 3/8 inch to 1 inch, even in tight spaces with just 1 1/2 inches clearance. Lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and featuring an inline design, LED light, and electronic overload protection, it ensures efficient, durable, and precise cutting every time. Simplify valve installation and removal. The Laisgoo Angle Stop Wrench Kit is essential for plumbers and DIYers working with compression angle stops and supply nuts. This 2-in-1 wrench easily tightens or loosens angle stoppers and serves as a lever for secure positioning. Its dual-action mechanism adapts automatically to 5/8 inch and 15/16 inch nuts, fitting 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch MPT compression threads. Compact, durable, and corrosion-resistant, it reduces work time in tight spaces. Bonus 4-way multifunctional key adds versatility for plumbing, gardening, and household tasks, making this kit a must-have for professionals and home users alike. Stop leaks quickly without draining water. The Sumglicie Plumbing Plug Toolkit is essential for plumbers and maintenance workers needing fast, reliable pipe repairs. This professional-grade kit includes 3 sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, with replacement gaskets, nuts, and EPDM seals. Made from stainless steel and aviation-grade aluminum, it's durable, corrosion-resistant, and lightweight for flexible use. EPDM rubber ensures high temperature tolerance and excellent sealing, with a 65 PSI rating. Ideal for kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor pipelines, this kit allows efficient, safe, and fast leak repair for professionals and DIYers alike. Clear clogged drains fast without chemicals. The Meisterfaktur Drain Snake is perfect for DIYers who want a reliable, efficient solution for sink and drain unblocking. Equipped with a drill attachment, this solid drain auger eliminates manual cranking, letting you clean pipes quickly and effortlessly. Over 50 feet of cable reaches deep blockages, clearing drains in under 10 minutes. Made from recycled ABS, it's eco-friendly and safe. Video instructions make it easy for anyone to use, making this drain snake an essential tool for your soul. Effective, chemical-free plumbing maintenance. The Anblak Magnetic Pipe Center Finder tool is essential for pipe fitters, welders, and DIYers needing precise layout and measurement. Its Y-shaped 2 3/4 inches centering head fits 1 1/2 inches to 6 inches pipes, while strong built-in magnets provide hands-free attachment for easier, safer alignment. Equipped with an adjustable dial bubble protractor, integrated center punch, and flexible marking column, it ensures fast, precise angle readings and effortless layout marking. Made from anodized aluminum, this durable, professional-grade tool delivers reliable performance and improved control on every pipe fitting task. Crimp copper pipes faster and more reliably. The Rogvoc Propress tool is essential for plumbers, HVAC technicians, and construction pros who need efficient, secure connections. This 18-volt brushless electric crimping tool delivers consistent hydraulic power for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch Propress fittings. The kit includes 3 precision press jaws, 2 4-ampere-hour batteries, a fast charger, and a carrying case. Ergonomic, compact, and durable, it reduces fatigue and works in tight spaces. With extended battery life and quick charging, it keeps plumbing and HVAC projects moving smoothly all day. Tight fitting should not slow down a job. The iCrimp Disconnect Tong is essential when push-to-connect fittings need to be removed quickly and cleanly. Designed for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch sizes, this removal tool easily demounts brass push-fit and push-to-connect fittings. With 3 precision teeth, wide grip handles, and one-handed operation, it works perfectly in hard-to-reach spaces. Simply slide, squeeze, and pull to depress the release collar, safely disconnecting fittings while reducing errors during plumbing repairs and modifications. Stubborn. Parts should not win the fight. The smart Jerry rubber strap wrench is essential when you need a strong grip without surface damage. This adjustable plumber's wrench works as an oil filter strap wrench, belt strap wrench, and pipe strap wrench for PVC pipe, shower head removal, and under-sink jobs. The 2-pack includes 2 sizes, fits up to 6.1 inches and 4.2 inches with a rubber belt reinforced by steel wire. Non-scratch, adjustable, and easy wrap-lock pull design makes it perfect for plumbing, automotive, and home use. That wraps up our list of the latest plumbing tools for 2026. You can find all the links to these useful plumbing gadgets in the description below. Which of these cool plumbing tools was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button and check out our next video on essential DIY plumbing tips to level up your home repair game. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. For more top-rated tools on Amazon,